Wow, look at that sky. It's gonna rain. Sometimes when I'm walking around, I feel like I'm invisible. Not invincible, invisible. Good morning. What a scammer. That's not food. Well, people have set up vegetable stalls. They're also selling chicken. Good morning. And this guy's selling fish. And this helps the people a lot. Since the people are only allowed to go to the market once a week, this is really helpful. And now they're selling hardware. Outstanding. And fruits and vegetables. Watermelon. Hello, good morning. Lemons. Oh, they get a lot of stuff here. So I don't really have to go far. Chicken. Yeah, it's really good. Oh, I felt a raindrop. Or was that my imagination? This guy works hard. So, are you able to cross over to Pamatawan or no? Yeah. They let you pass? Yeah. Many police there or not so? Merong checkpoint doon? Meron po. Oh, sige. Thank you. I was asking about the checkpoint at the bridge. I had heard that it wasn't there, then I heard it was there. Which makes no sense because They are under the same MECQ. We're both modified. This community and that community, right? I could understand if it was GCQ. Don't let us pass because it's MCQ. I give up. My philosophy is just write it out. And all these scammers with their food pass signs in the windshields. That's why when you go inside the grocery store, the shelves are all empty. I'm gonna cross the street. And look at that sky. Okay, well, thanks a lot for viewing. I sure appreciate it. Have a great day.